how to buy OGPU, the OpenGPU token crypto coin. Now, before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, do your own research. Now, make sure to take a look on their X account. Now, after that, how to buy this token. So as you can see, it's available in the PancakeSwap decentralized exchange platform. Now, after you find it in PancakeSwap, you need to connect your wallet. I will disconnect my wallet before I start. Now, after that, connect your wallet. Now, select your wallet from here. I will select Trust Wallet. Now, after that, you can see, click on Connect. And now you will be able to buy this token. Now, how to do it? Just type how much you want to buy with your BNB. And this is how much you will receive of that token. Now, because I don't have any balance on my Trust Wallet account. Now, to be able to get the or to fill your wallet with BNB, click on Get It Now. Now, after that, select your currency, type how much you want to buy. This is how much of BNB you will receive. Now, select the providers. Make sure to select Transact. It's easy. Now, click on Buy with Transact. Now, after you fill your wallet with BNB, you can now buy this token. So, this is how to buy the OpenGPU token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.